Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Audio-Technica ATH-TWX9 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working, they're not syncing with one another, they're not pairing to Bluetooth, they're not connecting to your phone, or you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear, so only one earbud is working. A factory reset will fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is just any variety of situations where you want to just delete everything off of them, delete the pairing history, clear the pairing history, so you can go ahead and pair them, set them up as a new set of headphones. It's really easy to do. All we want to do is put our headphones, our earbuds in the case like as shown here, leave them in here for at least about 5 seconds, and then we're just going to come in and we are going to press and hold the button on the back of both of the earbuds simultaneously for about 10 seconds. So after about 4 seconds, the light the lights on here will turn red. Just ignore it and just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. And after about 10 seconds, that light will start flashing red. At that point, you can remove your fingers and then you can take your earbuds out of the case. If you've had them paired with a phone in the past, you want to delete the old pairing off of there and then basically start the pairing as though they're new, set them up as a new set of earbuds.